I'm Chaudhary, and in this video, I'm going to talk about a project that I have built while I was pursuing B.Tech. So, I have started to work on this project when I was in second year of my engineering college, and every time since then, whenever I get to work on this, it inspires me to bring some more updates into it. So, my project name is Jarvis, and it is an AI virtual voice-based desktop assistant. It is mainly based on NLP and automation. So at first I have just made some couple of voice-based POCs, and then I have made some speech recognition bot or assistant, which helps me to do some basic operating system tasks via automation, computer vision, and some other technologies that I'm going to talk about in this video. Okay, so here was the basic idea of my software. At first, when I runs my program, then at this stage, it would first detects my voice, which I have given as an input. Now that detection is called hover detection. That detection allows my program to get initialized first before taking any kind of input queries. Now it would wait for incoming queries. After that, using NLP, it would detect that given input is a command or a question. For example, if I say, hey Jarvis, play music. Now that's a command, right? So it would execute that command. But what if it is a question? If I asks Jarvis that, hey Jarvis, uh, what is your day name, what you do, and are you even there? Then it would replies me or answers me and acts as a chatbot. Now you see, in at this stage, it acts as a chatbot, but at this stage, it acts as an assistant because that what assistants do and that what chatbots do. Now, after getting desired outputs, it would again wait for the next incoming query and go on through the loop until or unless I say, hey Jarvis, exits or quits. Now, if I say that, then it would terminates the program. Now, let's talk about the technologies that I have used in Jarvis. Web scraping and automation. With the help of web scraping, I am able to scrape the real-time results uh, of the things that are constantly changing. For example, if I say, hey Jarvis, give me an update on COVID-19, then COVID-19 results are constantly changing day to day. And there could be another things like stock prices. If I ask Jarvis that, Jarvis, what's the weather outside, then it would give me the report on weather and update me. And there's a long list. Now, with the help of automation, I try to automate almost everything. For example, if I need to navigate from any directory to any directory in my system, then I could very possibly do that. If I need to navigate to any website or to open any application, to schedule my tasks, then I could do that via automation. Now, here comes the most interesting part of this project and the part that I am very proud of. While building Jarvis, I was apparently learning about computer vision and media pipe. Computer vision is used for visualization via a library called OpenCV, and MediaPipe is a cross-platform pipeline framework used for building custom machine learning models for live and streaming media. Let me tell you more about MediaPipe. Now, MediaPipe provides different machine learning models. For example, hand landmark model, face recognition model, object detection, and etc. Here I have used hand landmark model in my project. This machine learning model works on regressions so it can provide the precise information about the geometry of our hand. This geometry are in the form of 20 landmarks. These landmarks are in the form of x, y, and z coordinates with the help of which we can get the position and the depth of our landmarks. With the help of hand landmark model, I have created a hand tracking module so that I can track those landmarks. With the help of which I further created a AI virtual mouse module. Now why I have created this AI virtual mouse module is because it totally serves the purpose of my project. My project's purpose is to do any kind of operation with an ease or without totally indulging into it. With the help of AI virtual mouse, I am able to operate my mouse from a distance or from any location. I just have to be around the cameras with the help of just my fingertips while swinging my hand in the air. Isn't that interesting? Now let's have a look on hand tracking module and get an idea. As you can see, it clearly detects my hand landmarks. So with the help of these hand landmarks and their positions in X, Y, and Z coordinates, I am able to find the distance between any two landmarks. Now, with the help of those distance and those locations, I'm also able to manipulate the cursor's location with the help of AutoPy module. So this was the idea that we will see in action later. Now let's talk about some of the challenges that I have faced during building Jarvis. So the first challenge was multiprocessing. In order to resolve this challenge, I used a concept of multi-threading. So I created a function which takes input tasks that have taken by Jarvis from the user and create the thread of those tasks so that those tasks could run parallelly at the same time, which results in the multitasking. And for that, I used a library called sys and executable. And the other challenge was graphical user interface. GUI plays a great role in order to interact more with the user. So in order to resolve this challenge, I used a software called PyQt5 Designer to design some templates. Let me show you some of the templates that I have designed. These are some of the templates that I have designed. So the challenge was how to integrate these templates into my software. For that, I used a PyQt5 module provided by the Python docs. It's time to see the Jarvis into action. Let's run it. Hey Jarvis, wake up.
Initializing. Good morning, sir. I am Jarvis. How may I help you?
How are you, Jarvis?
I am fine, sir. What about you?
Tell me the time.
Time is 4:27 a.m.
What's the weather outside?
The temperature outside is 19 degrees Celsius, with
Pretty
scattered
fast.
clouds.
Narendra Modi Wikipedia.
Searching results.
Okay.
Narendra Damodar Das Modi, Gujarati, Narendra DS Modi, listen, born September 17, 1950, is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014.
Give me an update on COVID-19.
Globally, total cases are 44,648,505. Total deaths are 528,987. And total recovered are 44,097,072.
Just send an email for me, Jarvis.
What should I send, sir?
This email is sent by Jarvis to myself.
Email has been sent successfully, sir.
Cool. Open YouTube.
Opening YouTube.
Open my project report. It's pretty fast. Okay, Jarvis, give me mouse. As you can see, I can clearly move the cursor with my hand. And I can also operate the system from a distance and do whatever I want. Now while doing that, hey Jarvis, play music. Jarvis set an alarm for 5 a.m.
Alarm has been set successfully.
Kill the mouse. As you could see, the mouse is not yet working. because it killed that thread, and that's the example of multi-threading. Okay, Jarvis, exit. And the program has been successfully terminated. So that was my project, and this is something that I'm really proud of because I have made it pretty well as I have anticipated so far. And I get the inspiration from a fictional character. Converting that into a project is really something to be proud of. Future scopes are to operate this within the Android and from the Android in the system. And also to add on the things according to the requirements. The possibilities are infinite. Thank you.